Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Todoist in PC. Todoist is a popular task management app that helps users organize daily tasks, projects and reminders across the devices. And on the Windows PC, Todoist can be installed on a desktop app for quick access and offline use. However, if you no longer need the app or want to reinstall and you want to uninstall it from your PC, which is simple and safe. So what you can do is you can simply open to your computer and on the start menu on the bottom you can find the search over here and go to the settings. So you reach into the setting interface. Over here what you can do is select to this installed app just below the recommended settings. And over here you can either search the apps or you can either go from here one by one, as I'm going to select the search app and type down Todoist. And until you find this Todoist, over here just beside it we can see there's a 3-dot icon. Select to this 3-dot icon and select uninstall and select again, and it will ask you to confirm it. Select OK and Todoist will be uninstalled from your Windows. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to uninstall Todoist. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.